Going on YouTube, checking in Denver, Colorado. My name's Daniel G. I'm in the POV mode today at the flea market. See what we can get into. What's going on, man? How you doing today?
Good, and you?
Good. Can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What brings you joy in life? Like most joy?
Second, please.
Like, what makes you brings you the most joy in life? Like, what makes you happy? Like, what are some of your things that make you happy in life?
In my life?
In your life, yeah.
My husband.
Your husband? What else?
My family.
Family? Familia?
Yeah.
Nice. And do you know who the vice president is today?
No.
No?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, cool. And what was your name?
Daisy.
Thank you very much for your time. You guys have a good day. Got a little street interview. Try to get another one too. Got a little roller coaster ride. Hats over there. Not too much piquing my interest right now. Keep it rolling, see what we can get into. How y'all doing today? Hey, can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel? No problem. He didn't understand. That's all right. We don't force people to answer. We just try to ask them. How you doing today, sir? Like I said, we don't force them to talk, we just ask them. Some spices. Hello. Nothing really catching my eye. Oh, I'll take my 5 too. I know that's what I came at the right time. I'll take my 5 too. I'm just kidding, Miguel. He said he ain't giving me 5 today. Not today. Got some boots. Army coats. How you doing? Hey, can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
What's that?
What brings you the most joy in life?
The most joy in life?
Yeah.
Well, I guess just being outdoors.
Being outdoors?
Yeah, that's why we live in Colorado, enjoying the mountains.
I like that. You know who the vice president is?
Kamala Harris.
Yep, that's it.
That's it.
Awesome, man. Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, y'all leave a comment below. What questions you want me to ask people? Let me know. Uh-oh, got a zombie outbreak. I like that sign. I don't know if y'all can see it from this POV view, but got a zombie outbreak. Yeah, it's my first time using this chest cam, so I'm still getting used to it. Got some tires as well. See what we can find down here. How you doing today? Hey, can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
No, I don't know.
No?
No.
Okay. See what we can find here. See what we can find here. Keep on looking, see what we can find. How you doing? Hey, can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
What's that?
Can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
Go ahead.
What brings you the most joy in life? Like, what makes you happy?
What makes me happy? My
Yeah.
family.
Family?
Yeah.
Nice. And do you know who the vice president is?
Vice President. I know it's a female. I can't think of her name right now.
You got the female right now. That's right. God bless you, sir. Have a good day. That's amazing. But hey, not everyone knows the same thing as you. Good, man. Just to let you know, you missed a belt loop, I noticed, in the back.
Thank you.
Hey, no problem. Yeah, I just let that guy know he missed a belt loop. Kind of awkward, but do what you gotta do.